A few months ago, I decided to make a video on filet mignon for 40 subscribers, and currently that video is doing quite well, with well over 100 views. However, a filet mignon is very small, compared to a ribeye, which is 2 times its size. So, let's make a ribeye steak. First, begin by seasoning your washed and pat-dried steak, and make sure to cover both sides evenly, or you can just mix it in with your hands. Add as much salt and pepper to the point where the seasoning is quite visible on the steak. Then, because we're going to be cooking a very big steak, we're going to cut half a stick of butter, or about 4 tablespoons. Add cooking oil to your pan on high and spread it around. Then, gently place your steak on the pan and it should make a sizzling sound. Allow it to rest there for about 2 minutes, and you can also use a measuring thing to make sure that it's around 100 degrees. After 2 minutes, you should flip the steak over and you should see a nice crust. There it is. Once again, you want to let it rest there for 2 minutes, as we're doing 2 minutes on each side before basting. After 2 minutes, you can flip your steak over again. Once you flip your steak over, add your stick of butter and it should begin melting with the oil. Then, using your spoon, once the butter is almost melted, begin by basting the steak for about 30 seconds before doing it on the other side. Once again, flip it over and do it on the other side. After basting it for 30 seconds on both sides, transfer it to a plate so that we can finally cut our steak. The method I said in the video should get you about medium to medium rare, but since in the clips I actually did it for too short, I actually got around medium rare to rare. As you can see, when I cut it open, it's not exactly medium rare, but the instructions I said in the video should get you medium rare. Ooh, y'all see this nice strip right here? Yeah. I could eat this all day. So yeah, subscribe to my channel and happy Memorial Day.